welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So by the title you already know, and also आपको look से ही पता चल गया होगा that this is a makeup tutorial. So this makeup tutorial I have made specially for the occasion Rakhi. Now I wanted to make a very subtle glowy look yet a bit glam. बिकॉज अभी कोई ओकेशन हम अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन राखी जो है वो एक फैमिली फंक्शन होता है, वो हम सभी अटेंड करने वाले हैं. जिन जिनके भी भाई है बहन है वो सभी अटेंड करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक दैट दिस ईयर एवरी वन इज गोना बी ड्रेसिंग अ बिट एक्स्ट्रा, बट नॉट एवरीबडी इज गोना बी ड्रेसिंग एक्स्ट्रा. सो आई जस्ट combined both of this and created this look in such a way that it doesn't look that extra yet it's very glam and glowy. So I have wore a very simple suit, white in color. The eye makeup actually makes it look heavy or subtle. I have kept my eye makeup very subtle yet it's a bit glam and it has a sheen in it. And also I have used minimal products and also in a very limited amount. The video you will see it's very detailed, and also this video is in collaboration with Olens. So the lens which I'm wearing right now is sent to me by Olens. So further you will see the unboxing and how I wore it. Now I am in love with these lenses. These are so super comfortable and it just changed the whole look. Like just imagine this look with black eyes. I have black eyes, like black eyes. So this is actually complementing this look so well. I am totally in love with these lenses. लिंक मैं नीचे दे दूंगी, अगर आपको भी लेना है आप नीचे लिंक में जाके बाय कर सकते हो. और else you can also contact them on Instagram, वो भी लिंक मैं नीचे दे दूंगी. And whatever products I'm gonna use for this makeup tutorial today, सबके लिंक्स नीचे दिए होंगे, आप जाके चेक कर लेना, आपके लिए बाय कर लेना. And also if you're not following me on Instagram, what you're doing in life, because most of the makeup tutorials I am posting there itself. YouTube में मैं सब कुछ cover करती हूँ, like lifestyle, beauty, hauls and everything. So makeup थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. Instagram में भर के मेकअप दिया हुआ है, आप लोग चाहिए जाके फॉलो कीजिए, लिंक नीचे दिया हुआ है. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So the first step would be the application of the lenses. Before starting the makeup, you all should first apply lenses. I hope you guys know about it. I like to apply my lenses first, and also it is how the process is, because if you apply a lot of makeup, eyelashes, and then you try to apply your lenses, then you will feel a little bit of heaviness in your eyes. Or if you are a beginner, then you might feel some sort of irritation and you might have tears in your eyes and it would be very uncomfortable. So I like to use the lenses first and then go on with my makeup, so my eyes gets used to the lens and it's like very comfortable later on. So I'll be just taking out my lenses from this box and then apply it on camera. So okay, so I have unboxed it on my Instagram stories, but I haven't used it yet, so I'll be using it right now for the very first time. So the lenses which they sent me is their Olens Gen 3 special edition in the shade Sky Gray, if you can see. So I'll just wear it right now in front of the camera and then move on to the makeup part.
So first of all, place the lens on your fingertip, pull your eye down and just place it on your eyeball, and make sure you look around or upwards, and then just close your eyes and adjust it. Just see the difference, guys. Lenses make such a big difference.
Oh my god, could you guys see? Lenses just changes the whole look. Like even without makeup, right now I'm having no makeup on my face, if you can see, like no makeup at all. And when you do makeup and you have lenses on, like these kind of beautiful colors, the whole look changes. Okay, now let's get going and let's start with the makeup.
So first I'm starting with skincare. Now I'm recently breaking out a bit. This is a spot and that is an active pimple. Now the season is changing. It's rainy season, so I get all these. So I'm using the rose gold oil from the Beauty Co, just spreading the product, a little amount of it all over my face and then massaging it gently, letting the product absorb into my skin. For lips, I'm gonna use the Nissi Skincare Lip Serum Oil. Now this product has been sent to me as PR. Since then I'm in love with this product. It has made my lips super soft and supple. For primer, I'm gonna use the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now this is my favorite drugstore primer, using it on the areas where I feel a little bit of roughness and pores. For next, I'm using the foundation from Huda Beauty. Now I'm not gonna use it as a foundation but as a concealer to hide my dark circles and the pigmentation and spots. This is a little darker shade for me, like more in the yellow tone, so I cannot use it all over my face, but it works wonders as a concealer. I'm just blending it and I'll show you the difference between both the under eyes. Just look at it, guys, such a big difference. I am just fast forwarding the video and doing the same with my other eye as well. I'm also building it on my upper eyelid. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I don't like using a lot of foundation but a little amount of it. I would rather use a lot of concealer to hide my, dark circles or spots. First of all, I'm dragging the foundation and then blending it all over my face. Now before you comment, this is a lighter shade for me, but we'll fix it with bronzing. Now I'm using the Faces Canada compact and using it all over my face to set the foundation in place. Next up, I'm using the loose powder from Huda Beauty for baking my under eyes and also to avoid any fall offs during the eyeshadow application. Now this is my favorite for contouring, guys. It is very affordable, the Wet n Wild contour palette. First of all, as you have seen, I have lined it, saw if it's in proper place and then blending it gently. Did that with the other part as well, and then the nose. Here I am using a brow product from Nykaa. First I'm doing the lower portion and then the upper portion, and then I'll just build it towards the end and the tail of my eyebrow. As you are seeing here, I have just fast forwarded the video. If you want to see a tutorial on eyebrows, you can comment down below. I'll make a detailed video on that. As you have seen, eyebrow makes a big difference. So this is my next eyebrow. I'm doing it. After that, I'll just go with the eyeshadow. I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Now the shades or the eyeshadow palette name will be mentioned down below. Also the product links will be given down below. You can check it. This one I'm using as a transition shade. I won't be using a lot of shades, but this one and then this shimmery shade. I'll create a rough cut crease. I'm not creating a very sharp cut crease. I'm not using any concealer. I've just zoomed it in so that you can see, just building in the color, and this makes your eyes looks very, very bigger, guys. So girls with smaller eyes, you can try this trick. Next, I am using the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal as an eyeliner. I will be using it as a smudged liner, just lining my eyes and just smudging the line with a brush. That's it. It would be a smudged liner, and it's very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Much easier than applying a liner, because that's liquid and this is not liquid. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now this is my current favorite. I'll just zoom it in so that you can see just one layer, and it makes such a big difference. Wow. I use it every single day. Even if I'm not using eyeshadow, I have to use it, you guys know. Now dusting off the loose powder, and you can see the mattifying under eyes. It's so beautiful. Adding a little bit of blush onto my cheeks. I make sure that I smile while doing it so that the cheekbones pop up. Now this is my favorite highlighter. This is from Huda Beauty. This is a highlighter palette. You get all the 4 highlighters and all the shades are very, very nice and glamorous. I'll mention it down below. I'm just creating a very subtle glowy look, building the highlighter on my forehead also. Now this is the tough job for me, guys. It is very tough for me. You can see it. I'm struggling. Like doing it on camera is very tough, but I tried to do, but couldn't succeed in doing. But this is how it looks like. Now I'm moving on to the next eye, and wow, bang on. Eyelashes really make such a big difference. Now doing my lip liner on my lips. not overlining my lips a lot, but using 2 shades of lipstick to make my lips appear a little bit more fuller, a darker shade, and then moving on with a lighter shade in the middle of my lips. It is a great trick to make your lips look a bit more bigger. Now here's the end, guys, pairing some nice pretty simple earrings and then a dupatta. So here is my final look, guys. Isn't it so glowy and simple yet glam? I am in love with this look. I even did not want to remove this makeup. Now you can do any hairstyle you like. You can just tuck your hair behind your ears and do a middle parting, do a side parting and leave it open like that. I did not do any hairstyling, but this was just a makeup tutorial. But I liked to keep it just simple, hair tucked behind my ear and did a middle parting.
So guys, this is my final look. I hope you liked this video. I hope you also try this look. This is a very glowy, subtle glam makeup look. I am totally in love with it. मुझे तो उतारने का भी मन नहीं हो रहा है इसको अभी. Anyways, if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.